Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today I'm going to do a very yucky drawing. It is Augie the cockroaches. I don't know whether Augie is a cockroach or no. He does not look like a cockroach. I just googled it. So I don't know what it is. You please put it in the comment box what it is. So this is a ulta U which you're supposed to make for Augie and the cockroaches. Now you will make a W, okay, ulta U, a W, and then we shall write 8 number. See, if you turn it like that, it is 8. So we write 8, then we put a small little eye, and then his eyes are green in color, which we are going to do it on later basis. Then there is 2 pointed triangles on top, and then from here starts a big nose. Okay, this is a big nose. It will have a shine over here, and then from here take a turn, come here, and okay, this will be like that, and from here take a turn and come here. This is फुगा हुआ गाल उसको किसी के ऊपर गुस्सा आई होगी या किसी से चिढ़ गया होगा तो ये फुगा हुआ गाल है. देर आर 2 खड्डास हियर विथ धागा कमिंग आउट. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज. देन 2 खड्डा इयर्स with the I don't know what it is. So I really don't know. There are so many cartoons I watch, but I've never watched this cartoon. The name itself, I did not feel like watching it. Big smile and 2 eyes up. Then it has, okay, it has a tongue which is coming here. So a big mouth and a tongue coming from down. So it is a U here. Just mention me in my comment box whether Augie is a cockroach or no. He does not look like one, but I have no idea. Okay, after doing this, we will take a gap over here and we will make a big petu. Okay, then there is one more inside, and there is a swirl here. Okay, there is a swirl here, and from here it takes a with for the hands. From here it takes a down for the other hand going down. He looks more or less like Tom and Jerry wala. Okay, so these are the legs and these are the hands. Now I'll teach you how to make the legs part. So it is just a U here, and then we have to do 1, 2, 3, and here it is like that, and you have to take a turn and come down and just put 2 lines like that. Okay, so this is done. Now we have the hands here. So what we will do is we will put 1, 2, see, it's like a V which is come, then it takes a turn here, a small finger, and it comes back here. So this is one hand and the other hand is wearing a gloves here. So it goes down like that. 1, 2, and the hand goes here. Okay children, I'll do the marker. I had forgotten to make the tail. I was making the tail but I'm not on the video, and I suddenly realized, I realized it at a good time. Now I'm just doing the bordering part of the entire thing. This eye part will be done later on, because if I do it right away, it has to be done with a thin marker. Okay, this part is completely black. Children, let me tell you, I'm seeing this drawing. It is not memorized because I'm watching a picture and I'm doing it. And this goes like that, and this goes like that. I just discovered that Augie is a cat. Shanti, had it been a cockroach, that yucky feeling would have always come. Dim chick, dum chak down. Okay, the eyes I'll do it with a thin marker. My marker is giving troubles. So I'll quickly do my hands, and this is the big stomach. I quickly do my hands, and this is the leg part. I quickly do it. Jippa joppa joo. I quickly do it. Jippa joppa joo. I quickly do it. Okay, this all has to be done with a thin marker. So I start with a thin marker here. I make this undo. I make this number 8. I make a little bit of what is called the eyebrow, and this is the little shandy coming out from a khaddi. Okay, so my drawing part is done, and I will quickly do the coloring part. So children, let us start with the coloring part. And so to start with the coloring part, first we shall color the eyes green. His eyes are green, leaf green in color. And a little part is, this is a cobalt blue color which we are going to use for the rest of the body. See, this part is all cobalt blue. And I discovered, children, Augie is a cat. So, no problem. It's not a cockroach. It is Augie and the cockroaches. So, Augie is a cat. I'm not going to draw cockroaches by any ways, because I hate them. Chi. They are I don't like that creature. So, quickly we'll be coloring. This is a cobalt blue color, children, which I am using for Augie. Now I find Augie cute because I just discovered that it is not a cockroach. It is like Tom and Jerry, like that. It is Augie and the cockroaches. So this is cobalt blue which we are doing. Ding. A very simple drawing. I want children, all of you all, to opt for it and put it across on Canvas and Scissors group on Facebook. And this month, September month's competition will be the one with the yellow thumbnail. Now children, don't get confused with the thumbnail. Yellow thumbnail means I will be making this drawing and I will be putting it in a background, and I'll be putting it on a yellow background. So those drawings which are on the yellow background will be eligible for the competition. Okay, don't get confused. You all are getting confused. Now I'm using, actually this is supposed to be gray, but I'm using this color. This is rose gray color. I thought gray will not look that good because of, and then the mouth over here is purple. There was a sweet little chap used to come to my house, and all her paintings used to be pink and purple. So it is pink and purple. So this is the tangu, this is the mouth, and now we will relieve one khadda over here, and we'll color this nose red. So, and yes, these small little khadya are yellow in color. So I'm through with the drawing. We'll do a little bit of background here, and for the background we shall use paints. So what will match is color green. I think so green will look nice for the background. So let's paint the background, children. I'm not doing ghasar patti with the colors. I'm just painting the color green on the background, and I'll be posting it post the color dries. Okay, today is 1st September, tomorrow is 2nd September, and tomorrow is supposed to be the coconut day. So I have to make one more drawing with regards to coconut. So I will require time to do that. So I'm painting the background. So I'm through with my Augie also. Now next drawing shall be a waterfall. I'm not doing cards. Many children have requested me to make Teachers Day card. I am a teacher, yeah. I should make card for myself. Chapre, I'm not going to do that. You all make and send it across. Okay? You all can make beautiful cards. You all make a very nice drawing on the front portion, and inside you can write whatever comes to your mind, and that becomes a card. What's there? See these small little portions, I'm using a small brush to cover because I have not put white inside. So if I do that galti, it will spoil. So these small portions, I'm using a small brush, children. And for the big background, you all should use a big brush. Now the ones which are with the yellow background, the competition starts from 6th, children. Please remember, we do not scroll down. It starts from 6th of every month and it ends on the last day of the month. So please post all this post 6. That is after Teachers Day, you all have to post it. Okay, till then you enjoy the drawings, get them ready to be posted. Soon we will be having, I will just scroll down canvas and scissors and take out all the drawings of the children which they have posted with their photo in it, and we will be uploading it on our YouTube channel, so that everybody, the world, can see what children are doing, you know. You all make such wonderful drawings and then they should be showcased. We should do a little bit of Shanpatti also, na, when we do it. So for that Shanpatti, we will be posting all children's drawings. If I forget someone, if I miss someone, please don't get angry on me, because even I am a human, even I make mistakes, correct? So my Augie is all ready, all set up with his makeup. Done. And now I'll post my Augie after this dries. I'll click a nice photo. Augie will pose for Tanu auntie and he will give, and he's telling to khich meri photo, to khich meri photo, to khich meri photo, Tanu auntie. Bye bye, good night.